battery. Look at this. You can see this. It looks like they are dimmed, but except the third floor.
Yeah.
It will work like that.
Oh no. Strange.
Strange.
Yeah.
That's unusual. It's a Poikkikatu 4 sticker say here in Lahti, Finland. We just filmed the stickers B here. But we also need the stickers C here later.
Yeah.
There are 7 floors here and it was built in 1971. It's possibly the beginning of 1971. With the basics fixtures completely still. The number is H25297 and it's going to be inspected in 2025. The capacity is 3 persons at 250 grams and there's 2 rats here. Nobody's coming.
Yeah.
Or I don't know.
Probably not.
It was the elevator.
Inspected by QIs, but that's maintained by Kone.
No, it's nothing.
Yeah.
That pin number is different.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's